I was thankful to see the news recently that the Pope, the Pontiff, criticized the Trump administration for dehumanization, stripping away of dignity with their arrests and deportations of undocumented immigrants, and separating families and so on. And I know that Trump and J.D. Vance and supporters would feel contempt for the likes of the late Archbishop of San Salvador and El Salvador, Oscar Romero, who became an advocate for the poor and the disenfranchised and spoke out against the human rights abuses by Salvadorian death squads and so on. And he was really pro-life, unlike the American Republicans who talk big about being pro-life, but they don't walk the walk. They support and enable the terrorism and slaughter wrought by gun rights, which has slain at least 1,700,000 Americans since 1968, the year I graduated high school. This is a drawing I did in my Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series. And 2 years ago in 2022 of Archbishop Romero, depicted with allegorical sea monsters. And I did this drawing when I was a freshman in college in 1973, a drawing of child war victims. Drew in, I think, 2003. I did pencil drawings of hands in 1968. It has a note by a late art teacher, high school art teacher, my senior year of high school, who was in the U.S. Armed Forces fighting the Nazis in Europe. One of his buddies was Charles Schulz, who became the creator, illustrator, writer of the Peanuts comics. I wish I had talked to my teacher, but I was 18, I was being a teenager. 1968, Bobby Kennedy, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. was shot to death. Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King was shot to death. And now gun violence is a leading cause of death of American minors, babies, infants, toddlers, children, adolescents, and teens. It's shameful, and it's not pro-life to endorse gun rights. It's pro-death, nothing short of it. Anyway, we have allegorical sea monsters and allegorical insects and what have you I've drawn in the all around my portrayal of Archbishop Romero. I'm not a Catholic myself, but I've had many Catholic friends and colleagues over the years. And all right, there you have it.